Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will give you the quick ideas on how you can fix the issue if your Sonos Beam is not playing any TV sound and what you can do. So first thing that you can try to do is try to disconnect everything. So literally like unplug it from the wall, also unplug it, the HDMI, everything unplugged, and wait a few minutes and try to plug it back. So this is the first tip that you can do. The second thing that you can try to do is that you just want to change the HDMI cable that you have it connected to your TV. Maybe this is going to be the faulty and why it's happening, so we want to get a different one. And the third thing that you can try to do, maybe it's going to work out if it's going to be with the Sonos problem and not the TV problem. What you can try to do is first unplug it. So unplug it from the Sonos Beam. Then what you want to do is just want to press and hold the join button. We're going to perform a factory reset. So you're going to press and hold the join connect button, and then you're going to put it back in. So you're going to plug it back in. So first you're going to unplug it, wait 10-15 seconds, then hold the connect, the join button, and then you're going to put it back in. And then the white light on light is going to change to the red. It's going to like change. You can like release the button, and then what will happen is that possibly after the factory reset of the Sonos Beam, it's going to work out. And I wish it do, because I know how frustrating it is when you're going to buy a product and it's not working and it's like malfunctioning. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.